Mix alcohol with Coca-Cola and prepare to be surprised. The result? You'll thank me later? It's incredible, and when I say amazing, I really mean it. For this simple trick, we'll need a small Coca-Cola, one of those 200 milliliter bottles. Take a container and pour all the Coca-Cola into it. Then add about 3 ounces of alcohol to another container and mix. This mixture is very powerful. Few people know what this trick can do. Add the alcohol to the first container and mix everything very well. Do this, and you'll never need to buy those expensive products again. Now add the fabric softener of your choice. If possible, use a concentrated one, as it has a much stronger aroma than ordinary fabric softener. Simply add a capful of concentrated fabric softener to the container. Also, add a tablespoon of baking soda and, finally, 2 tablespoons of the detergent of your choice. Then mix well again to combine all the ingredients. Once you've done that, you'll need a spray bottle. Take it and pour all the mixture into the spray bottle. Once you've filled it, close the spray bottle and it's ready to use. What we've just made is a product for completely disinfecting and refreshing the bathroom and, above all, for eliminating stains. That's right, you can apply it to the bathroom sink to remove all kinds of dirt, rust and stains. This will clean and disinfect all types of bacteria. If your sink is stained or yellowed, this solution can help a lot. Coca-Cola has excellent cleaning components, especially for removing stains and rust. Alcohol increases its disinfectant power, while fabric softener leaves a fresh, pleasant scent. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive agent, helping to remove stubborn dirt. Use this solution on surfaces such as sinks and toilets, and you'll get an incredible shine and appearance, as well as a wonderfully scented environment. And the best part is that all the ingredients are cheap and easy to find. You'll enjoy all these benefits while spending very little or nothing at all. As you probably already have all the ingredients at home, give it a try today and you'll see what a difference this solution can make to your cleaning routine. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.